Hi there, it's Richard here from Sherwood Motor Cars, and today I'm here with Bo. We're excited to present this 2017 Chevy Silverado, but not just any Silverado. This one's a twin turbo, 1,000 horsepower, badass beast on the street. I'm gonna turn it over to Bo. He's gonna show you the outside of the truck.
Awesome. As Richard said, our 2017 Silverado LTZ. This is a local Edmonton truck, one owner from new, no insurance claims, no history on the truck to be aware of. Obviously, as you can see from the outside, suspension work has been completed. It's got a really nice low stance with a Vossen 20-inch rim and tire package. 22s, there we go. Wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport tires, so you're not going to have any worries with the performance. The truck does have full front end 3M paint protection, full hood fender, including impact zones. Vehicle does currently have a little bit of window tint on it, but overall exterior of the truck shows really, really well. Really the only thing to note of, which we'll show you at the front, is with the lowered suspension, the front splitter did take a little bit of a hit, but other than that, the truck shows incredibly well. Along with the motor being completely overhauled, this has a really unique center exit, kind of Corvette style exhaust. And a little bit later on, we'll show you how that sounds, because there's a little bit of a secret with that exhaust as well. But moving around to the passenger side, again, no dings or dents to be aware of. Bed does come with the tonneau cover. All the wheels show really well, no curb rash. On the interior, you do have all of the LTZ Z71 creature comforts. As we come around to the front of the truck, so you'll see a little bit more of how custom this is with some of the fender flares. We do have the custom carbon fiber splitter at the bottom. Like we said, this is the only thing we would really take note of is just with that lowered stance, you do have a little bit of a hit on that front splitter. But this is our 2017 insane Silverado. What an absolute beast it is. But to go more over what the actual price tag considers on this is all that performance. So Richard's going to talk to us a little bit more about what's under the hood.
Well, let's talk some tech and let's talk some horsepower. This truck's got some really, really unique stuff. The truck was originally purchased, used as a kind of a daily driver for maybe about a year. That's actually where most of the kilometers went onto it. Got upgraded with a supercharger kit, but for the builder of this truck, it just wasn't enough. And that's when things got crazy. Let's open the hood. So under here is what it's all about. Direct injected, rebuilt, upgraded Carrillo rods and pistons, upgraded camshaft. This is a Davenport built engine, Snow direct port water meth injection, Holley high ram, LT5 ZR1 throttle body. But what we're really talking about are these bad boys right here. Twin turbos, big horsepower, lots of, just an incredible build. The attention to detail, the workmanship, the parts selection on this truck are second to none. With Davenport doing the work, Adasco doing all the fabrication. Some of the things that I want to point out on this truck that were custom built for it are items like these custom fender supports. When they moved, they had to do a relocate on the overflow for the radiator in order to make room for the turbo. When they did that, they could have just zip tied it in place. They didn't zip tie in place. They mounted it, and it touched the fender support. So what did they do? They custom designed, water jet cut a billet aluminum custom fender support. And they didn't do just that side, they did a matching one on the other side as well, just to finish off the look. And that's just an example of some of the really, really detailed pieces that went into this truck. It was truly a labor of love. Dual catch cans, stainless steel braided lines for all the oil returns. There's no rubber hoses on stuff where it shouldn't be. Direct port water meth. Yep, will do the same job with just a regular port drilled into and tapped into it. Sure, but it does a better job with a direct port. The fuel system in this truck is also very important. They haven't just raised the fuel pressure by using an additional lobe on the cam. They've added a lift pump to the fuel system. They've also upgraded the injectors to LT4 injectors, and the high pressure fuel pump has been upgraded to an LT4 high pressure fuel pump. So capacity isn't an issue for this truck. There are no shortcuts. Bottom end is built, H-beam rods, forged pistons courtesy of Carrillo, build courtesy of Davenport Motorsports, one of the most respected shops on these trucks, and any late model high performance build anywhere in Canada, anywhere in North America, anywhere in the world. This is a truck that's built to go fast safely, and go fast really reliably. If you're looking for the experience of this kind of horsepower in something that you can turn the key and go, here it is, in a stealthy package, 2017 Chevy Silverado.